at my ceiling bands.
Thank you so much.
Wear them.
You
Like
think they
this.
fit?
Just like that.
Just like that? Okay.
What are you doing? You better not be taking. Ah!
What are you doing? Stretching?
Yes.
Is this part of the stretching?
Yes.
Wow.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you going to
I'm
do?
just gonna like do in circles to get mine. I'm gonna wait. I'm going to. I'm going to.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Going back again?
For 1 second. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do some exercising. I'm gonna do some exercising.
That's exercising? Don't you think it's more exercise if you actually ride it? Like pushing it?
Okay. So whenever I do this, it goes a break. This mosquito. So whenever I keep doing this, I need to do some fastness. Watch. See, that's the trick I want to try to do.
It is.
So this has an engine, and it's inside the wheels. Let's have a little break. Follow me. Can you follow me?
Following you.
Well, there's some engines.
Want to say hi to Graham?
Take some breaks. So let's just sit on this bench right here.
You want to say hi, Graham? We're going to send this to
Really?
her.
I thought it was Graham. Oh, hi, Graham.